in Mandarin. Yeah. That one. Now sing for us in Mandarin. Stop. Carry on. Let's start again. Sing for us in Mandarin. Right. Don't look at those minors. They mind their own business. Okay? Now you have to sing. Sing in Mandarin. Hey, come on. But please, we want to hear you sing. Sing for us in Mandarin. Lady and for you, Rocky, let's get it.
Alright, now, the name again? Nisrin. Alright, Nisrin, put this in your left hand. Hold the mic for you. Don't worry, she's fine. Get all your fingers in. Sheila, stop there. All in there? Alright, now hold the mic for me. Now you'll be handling Sheila on your hand. Yes. Alright, what's going to happen is, she's going to make a run down the field. She's going to run up and jump up onto your face.
Okay.
Okay? You ready?
Okay.
Sheila?
Ready?
Are you ready?
Okay.
Alright, good. Come with me. Run down the field. Just bring your arm out this way. Right, piece of meat is not for you. Okay, good. Sheila, hey!
Hi, doesn't like me.
She doesn't like you.